Yo, what's up, Michael Nation? Today I'm here at New Hope on my lunch break. I'm making that bank because I'm rich and you all are poor. And today I'm going to be filming the cheapest mukbang on the internet for only $3.19. First we got the chicken ramen noodles, yes sir, and some Fanta in the bottle because I'm high class like that, guys. First, take a look at these noodles, guys. Look how beautiful these are. Look how stringy. Very Bussin. Hey, if you don't eat anything all day, like me, because I have a six-pack, you gotta have these right here. And then here we have a pretzel that I got from my friend here, Ismail. Yeah. Super good, super creamy with that peanut butter. You know I like cream. Now, the last part, we have to have the Fanta. You can't go wrong with some nice orange Fanta. In the bottle. Bottoms up. Wow, that was amazing. I might have spit most of it out, but here, let's clean this up. They might be mad at me. And on the last part, I'm eating this bottle. No, I'm not eating the bottle cap. We have a cup of ice because I had to cool my ramen noodles down because I'm allergic to hot. And then we have a spork because this is what we had at our. We gotta take one more bite of these nice Bussin noodles. Here comes the airplane. One more thing of the Fanta. Delish! Thank you for watching Michael Nation's Mukbang. Bye!